everyone! We're here to do a video because we just drafted Friday Night Magic Battle for Zendikar and we won some packs. So, I have 5 packs here. Miss Linda won 3. She's undefeated. I went 2 and 1, so I got 2 packs. So let's get these packs open. Let's see what I won. Probably nothing good. Okay. Of course, you guys can slow it down at your own will if you want to read commons. Ooh, it's always exciting. Oh, Dragon Master Outcast. He is a mythic, so not too bad. Land and a token. Except that he's a reprint mythic from the original Zendikar, if you guys remember. Then pack number 2. So I guess at least I got a mythic, right? It's pretty exciting. I should probably go more sideways here. Make it a little easier. Ooh. Ooh. And a full Eldrazi. Land. And an Eldrazi Scion. He is super pretty. Just common foil though. Okay, so those were my packs. Pretty exciting. Now Miss Linda's packs. She should probably be opening them because I don't have very good luck.
Yeah, worst luck. I have 0 luck. Or bad luck.
This guy is actually pretty good. You wouldn't think it. This is the prettiest foil in the set. Oh, that one's pretty. I actually got this one in my draft. Very exciting. Oh, the most exciting thing we're gonna get, the Dragon Master Outcast. What? So I have to say, Dragon Master Outcast, better than what we opened on our sealed.
Yeah, that prize pool was horrible.
This was not good. Some people have all the luck. And guess what? We do not. Ooh, I needed these. Ooh. This was a reprint and gorgeous. I'm pretty. That was a good pack. Good job, Miss Linda. Foil Sylvan Scrying and a Ruinous pack.
Not bad.
That's really good. We needed those. I will be playing those. Miss Linda probably will not be. I'm going to play some Absyn mid-range deck. Imperial Shepherd. Oh, it is a foil rare, but it is not very exciting foil rare. But still pretty awesome. Okay, so those were our prize packs, which clearly ended up better than our sealed pooled prize packs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.